Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer money to Bangladesh. So we are going to use the Remitly app, and when you open the app, just go to the home page, then go to the top left corner of the screen to choose the country. I think Remitly is the easiest way to transfer money without having different bank accounts for different countries. You just have to use your debit or credit card. So when you choose the Bangladesh, then you just have to tap on get started. You can use a previously used recipient or add a new one if you already use this. Then you have to type in the amount of money that you would like to send, and below that you can see the recipient countries, currency, and the same amount. Then tap on continue. Here you can choose the delivery method that you would like to use. There is mobile money, bank transfer, bank deposit, and cash pickup. Choose the one that you prefer. Then you have to choose the bank that your recipient uses. Then you have to add the account number and routing number. Obviously I'm just using fictional codes here. Let's see if it lets us through. But if it doesn't, it's not a problem, because from here it's very easy. You can just add your debit or credit card details. As you can see, the recipient's name and the last name. Tap on continue. You can also add the phone number if you want, but you can also skip this. And after that, obviously the branch code is not correct, so I cannot continue from here, but basically you just have to add your debit or credit card details after this, and the Remitly app is going to charge your card just as a normal internet payment, and your recipient is going to receive it in his bank account. So that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one.